Get ready for the 2024 tax season with A.L. Taylor and Associates, your top choice for a tax preparation firm. Why is A.L. Taylor your ideal pick, and why should you entrust them with your financial data and tax filings? Let's delve into the advantages of partnering with A.L. Taylor and Associates. Our team consists of highly educated and experienced professionals who have dealt with tax preparation for both individuals and businesses over many years. Our team at A.L. Taylor and Associates comprises certified public accountants, and bookkeepers, all with an experience of over 40 years in providing tax preparation and accounting. They are well-versed with all small and medium-sized businesses, be it retail or wholesale, service businesses, churches, religious or nonprofit organizations. They are adept at handling all tax scenarios that a W-2 may face. In the South Shore neighborhood of Chicago, A.L. Taylor is a favorite among residents, leaving behind the many retail tax preparation establishments. These retail tax preparation firms, despite their claims of huge refunds, often employ tax preparers who have received only a few weeks of training. This often results in taxpayers paying more tax, receiving lower refunds, and occasionally being flagged by the IRS for an audit, which is a situation nobody desires. Explore our profile and you'll see that A.L. Taylor is listed in the IRS official directory of preparers. This comprehensive includes information about enrolled agents, CPAs, and attorneys who are registered tax preparers. You may be familiar with retail store tax preparers. They set up new offices each year and shut down after tax season. However, these offices and their preparers aren't featured on the registered IRS tax preparer list. A.L. Taylor, on the other hand, has been a registered member for numerous years. This stands as proof that A.L. Taylor can ensure you pay the minimum legal tax, and, in cases of refunds, you will receive the maximum legal amount. Many W-2 employees, who also happen to be entrepreneurs, often qualify for additional tax breaks from their sideline ventures. These ventures might seem inconsequential to them, but they are often legitimate small businesses in their own right. As the operator of these small businesses, these W-2 employees are entitled to the same tax breaks that other small business owners enjoy. These benefits typically come in the form of expense deductions that reduce the individual's taxable income. The ultimate goal of these side hustles is to lower your overall income, thereby reducing your tax liability to the federal government. Given A.L. Taylor's expertise, they are equipped to levy a reasonable fee for your tax return. It is important to note that they do not calculate their fees based on a percentage of your refund. Also significant is their refusal to make inflated promises of securing substantial refunds, a practice often seen in fraudulent tax preparation organizations that guarantee a refund without assessing your financial situation. Tax prep companies that engage in such promises are indulging in a widespread malpractice. Such deception could potentially have long-term implications on your financial health and might even subject you to legal allegations. When it's time for filing, e-filing allows your information to reach the IRS promptly, and, if you're due for a refund, puts your check within reach. A.L. Taylor employs a top-rated e-filing tool in the industry, which further boosts the efficiency of their process, especially when you opt for direct deposit. Scene 5. Our reputation. At A.L. Taylor and Associates, our reputation stands tall, built on an unflinching, solid track record. We are always at your service, ready to answer any questions about your tax return, even if it's months or years after filing. We take pride in our work, and we are not just your tax return preparers. We responsibly sign your tax return as the preparer of record and include the A.L. Taylor Preparer Tax Identification Number. Our compliance with the law goes beyond the minimum requirement of having a PTIN from paid tax return preparers. We make it a point to include it on every tax return prepared. This is our promise, a proof of our commitment and unwavering professional approach. Consider the credentials proudly held by A.L. Taylor and Associates. It's crucial to understand that only attorneys, CPAs, and enrolled agents possess the authority to represent taxpayers in front of the IRS in tax matters. A.L. Taylor, due to these credentials, can directly engage with the IRS on your behalf, ensuring you the respect that comes with their qualification. They have been wielding authority for several decades. On the other hand, many tax return preparers who are not enrolled agents have limited practice rights, meaning they cannot represent taxpayers during audits. Consequently, these taxpayers find themselves alone when facing the IRS in court. Beware of tax preparer scams. In the world of tax preparation, there are many scams, but there is one firm that stands out for its commitment to honesty, strong moral principles, and moral uprightness: A.L. Taylor and Associates. What is integrity? Integrity is dependability, honesty, transparency, and ethics. These are the qualities that the entire team at Ayton Taylor proudly embodies. This firm is recognized by the IRS for their exemplary services and best practices. Over the years, our clients have been more than satisfied, and they love to share their experiences. After Ayton Taylor completes your return, we encourage you to share your testimonial as well on our website, altaylorcapass.net. But in 2024, remember, beware of tax preparer scams, because not all are like Ayton Taylor and Associates. In wrapping up, choosing Ayton Taylor and Associates for your tax needs guarantees significant perks. You'll be subjected to the minimal legal tax, and if you're owed a refund, you'll receive the largest legal amount. Our charges are aligned with the industry standard, but our service surpasses the norm. At Ayton Taylor, we take immense pride in the quality of our service. We are proud contributors to our city and the South Shore community. W-2 employees, we know you work hard for your money. The same goes for entrepreneurs and owners of small to medium-sized businesses. You also work hard for your money. It's up to you to select a tax preparation company to protect your interests. Meanwhile, it's our duty to prepare your taxes with integrity, using the best practices. We at Ayton Taylor look forward to working for you and with you. Go Ayton Taylor.